Hello, friends. Today I'll give a tips MongoDB special commands. So, what is the MongoDB? This is the new era database, and we can develop lot of tasks related to MongoDB. We can use different type of things. So I'll just tell you today basic commands so we can use MongoDB. So you just go to the command prompt and press cmd and type mongo, and then you can see that mongo. So once you get the mongo, you just press a single command, show dbs, show dbs. So you can see that all of the database whatever you have. Now if you want to see the database, that means use, and suppose I am using like that my database. Okay, database. So this is switch. See that we are in database. Now MongoDB doesn't have a table. We have to create collections. So show collections. So now you can see that collections, different type of collection. These are the table, but it is not on the row and column because MongoDB doesn't follow dbms concept. So what are doing? We are creating document. Okay. So document should be created in dictionary form. Suppose I'll just show you my collection record. Okay, so just think that key what is the my collection. So you can see that how can we see the collections. First db dot name of the collection. Suppose my collection name is coder umax. Okay, and dot find. So just press it over here, and now you can see that these are the records. Okay, a different type of multi-value record, single record, and we can insert a record. How can we insert a record in MongoDB? Suppose db dot collection name dot insert bracket then curly braces. Suppose first column is that my like that a book number. Okay, so I don't want to add book number. I am just using another column. So first is that name. Okay, so name is that Indian, and now second column is that like that. Suppose I am adding language. So LNGU languages. Okay, so Hindi. Okay, so just I close it over here, and you can see that our record is here. Now I'll show the collections again. Okay, that is fine, and another record you can see that name Indian. So we can use different type of columns, different type of records, different type of fields without any alteration. So that is the NoSQL database, not only SQL. One and very important command is over here. You can see that जो बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट कमांड है यहाँ पे, तो उस कमांड की बात विल टॉक अबाउट दैट कमांड. सो फर्स्ट db dot help. This command show the number of command you can see that in MongoDB. Okay, so db dot admin command switch to admin db runs, db dot aggregate pipeline options, db dot clone database, db dot command help, db dot copy database, db dot create collections database. So how can we create the collection? First I show you. Just db dot create collections now. So collection name should be like a double quote. Suppose I am adding game. Okay, so now my collection is that game. So game is created. Now show COLLEC collections. So game is here. Now I can insert a record in game. How? Just db dot game dot insert and record should be inserted like that. We can insert one record, many record, and insert one, insert many, or insert. So how? Suppose I'm just writing as first column in game team name. So team name may be like that India. I'm just putting over here as and suppose India. Okay, now comma Japan and Russia. Okay, so this is the clause. So my first team name is 3 team. Okay, and now second we'll talk about game name. So I am just putting our game again list. Okay, so HOCKEY hockey, then CRICKET cricket, and then ATHE athletic. Okay, now close and then curly brackets and then so you can see that right result is there. Now I'll show you db dot game dot find, and now a record is here, and this is the primary key auto generated ID, object ID, and different type of command is here. We can see that in like that in this method lot of command is here. You can use like that. Suppose I'm using get mongo. Suppose I'm just db dot get mongo. So this command will help you show the connection string. So just press it over here and you see that local loop with port number. And again next is db dot host info. These are the commands show to the host address and information about the details, which operating system, which type of page size, memory size, and like that. This another is a db dot stats. So it will show you states of my database, collection 7, because I am using my database. So views 0, object 24, each and every record it will show you. Now next command is db dot server status. Okay, so status. Now you can see that all the server records and total number of things whatever we are having, it will show you. So these are the server status. So now how can we use that command in the manner? So these are the very important command in when you are working in MongoDB. So now I'll tell you one more command like the collections method. So MongoDB collection methods make how can we use in MongoDB collection method. So I just show you db dot collection name. Okay, CODERUMX. Let me check first. Show DBs. Okay, and okay, so use my database and show collections. Okay, so CODERUMX. Okay, now db dot CODER. This is the database, and then collection dot count. It will show you how number of records are here, 5. Again I am pressing db dot count, and I am using another function like that states. Okay, and so it will show you states key, how many total indexes is there, index bold, and indexes, index sizes, scale factor, leaf page, multicast, recognitions, cursor, whatever we are having in that. So it will show db stats. So it will show statics of all that your collections. Now another command is db dot CODER collection name and dot TOTL total size. So it will show total size of the collections, 73, 728 bits, bytes either you can use. Again I am showing db dot, another column is dot validate. So it will show you number of validate record is available in this are the 5 records, indexes 1 and id 5, valid true. These are the records available in that. Okay, and another command is drop. So drop command actively drop the collections. So I'll drop another collections. This is very so I just dropping a collection of game. Okay, so I'm just dropping db dot game. Suppose I'm writing db dot game dot drop. Okay, so it is true. Now show collections, so you can not see that game. Okay, so if you like that MongoDB code and you want to learn much more about the MongoDB, I'll help you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Till now, thank you, have a nice day. MongoDB is a very good and future database, so I'll definitely help you if you subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye, see you.